Good afternoon to one and all present here. Now I introduce myself, Dr. A. Selvakumar, Associate Professor, Department of BCom CE. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is tokens in Python. Without token, we cannot construct any program statement. Therefore, the token is very important topic in all programming languages. Token is defined as each and every individual unit in a Python in a program statement is known as token. In other words, token is a token in Python breaks each logical line into a sequence of elementary lexical component is known as token. The normal tokens are identifier, keyword, operator, delimiters, and literal. The white space and blank space separation is necessary between tokens. Now we are going to discuss the first token, identifier. Identifier is a name used for variable declaration, function name, and class name, module name, or object name. The identifier has certain rules. The first rule is that an identifier must start with an alphabet, that is A to Z, that is uppercase letter or lowercase letter or underscore. The second letter onwards, the identifier may consist of digits also. The Python identifiers are case sensitive, that is uppercase and lowercase letters are distinguished. Identifier must not be a Python keyword. Python does not allow any punctuation characters such as $symbol, symbol, and any other special characters. Let us see the example. In the valid identifier, here I give an example. Sum, total, sum is the first letter should start with the alphabet, therefore it is a valid one. The second example, total mark, there is a two word. In this example, in between there is a underscore symbol will be there. As per the rules and regulation, the underscore will be allowed. So the total underscore mark is a valid identifier. The register number is allowed. The last example, number one, the letter 1, the digit number 1 comes into after the first character, so it is allowed one. Invalid identifier, the alphabet, instead of alphabet, the first example, 1 to name. The 1 to is the number is not consist in the identifier as a first letter. In the second example, name is allowed, but followed by any punctuation. The punctuation $symbol is not allowed. For the third example, total underscore, invalid identifier, total underscore mark is allowed, but is a total hyphen mark is invalid one. Continue, here the condition will be satisfied, but the continue is one of the Python keyword. The Python keyword does not use for any other purpose, so it is an invalid one. The next one is keyword. Keywords are special words used by Python interpreter to recognize the structure of the program. As these words have specific meaning for interpreter, they cannot be used for any other purpose. Python having around 33 keywords. They are false, class, finally, is, return, none, continue, for, lambda, try, true, def, from, non, local, while, and del, global, most, not, with, as, lf, if, or, yield, assert, else, import, pass, break, except, in, rise. The next token is operator. In computer programming language, operators are special symbols that represent for mathematical calculation, conditional matching, etc. The value and variable used with operator is known as operand. The operators are categorized into arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and conditional operator. The first one, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is a mathematical operator that takes two operands. In Python, we are supporting what are the arithmetic operators are there means that is addition, subtraction, multiply, and divide, and also there is a modula, that is a percentage symbol, and a exponent, that is a double asterisk symbol, and last one is a floor division. The two backward slash going to be used for floor division. Well, let us in the example, if the value a equal to, assume a value is 100, b is 10, a plus 10, a plus b, a value is 100, b value is 10, so the result is 110. So likewise, for division, for 100 divided by 10, 100 divided by 10, the answer is 10. So in the modula is a integer remainder, so 100 divided by 10, so the remainder is 10. For the floor division, the same 100 divided by 10, the integer quotient, that is a 3 number times. So that is 100 divided by 30 going to be taken. So that is integer quotient is 3. So 3 is the answer. For exponent, a power 2, that is 100 power 2 means 10,000 is the result. The second operator is relational operator. Relational operator is also known as comparative operator, which checks the relationship between the two operands. The relationship is true, it returns a true value, otherwise it returns a false value. So the Python supports the following relational operators, that is a equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. In programming language, equal to is not a single equal to symbol, it's a double equal to symbol. So the operand between, that is a variable a and b, between you're going to use a operators, that is a relational operators, that is a equal to b. If the both are satisfied, both operands are satisfied, that is a true. If otherwise, a false. So likewise, not equal to means if the condition is true, the opposite result is a false answer will be displayed. The third one is a logical operator. The logic in Python, logical operators are used to perform logical operations on the given relational expressions. They are and or not operators. In assume a equal to 97 and b equal to 35, it operates between the two relational expression. So here in the example, a is greater than b and a equal to b. That is a two logical expression, relational expression. In between, you are going to use a operator, there is a logical operator, or you are going to be using these two expressions. Anyone will be satisfied, that is the answer is true. Either the first expression or the second expression, anyone will be true. You are going to use a logical operator, or that is a true. In between, you are going to use a and operator. Both are the true. The first expression and the second expression, the relation expression, both are true. Then only it is a true, otherwise a false. For not operator, you are going to use a not operator is not followed by the keyword is a not, followed by the expression, relational expression, a is greater than b. Now the expression is true. The returns a false. The expression is false, the return result is true. The next operator is assignment operator. In Python, single equal to symbol is represented for equal to. It assign the value to the variable. In example, a equal to 10, the value 10 going to be assigned to the variable a. In Python, we have a certain various compound operators will be there, like plus equal to, minus equal to. That is all arithmetic operators are involving using in assignment operator. Next operators, conditional operator. Conditional operators are also known as a ternary operator that evaluate something based on condition being true or false. In example, you see that the condition is if followed by the condition, the expression is 49 is less than 50. As per the condition, the 49 is less than 50, that is a true. So the condition preceded by what is the statement will be there. So the statement is min equal to 50. So the min equal to 50 is a represent as a result. So min equal to 50. The second example, if 49 is greater than 50, so the condition is false. So the else part will be display as an answer. So min equal to 70. The next one, the next token is a delimiters. The delimiters are uses the symbols and the special symbol combination delimiters in expressions for separating a variable and defining the function in all those area. It will be using in expression list, dictionary, and area. These are the delimiters we are using in Python. That is a parenthesis, open parenthesis, closed bracket, open bracket, closed bracket, opening curly braces and closing curly braces. These are the next one. Literal. Literal is also known as constant. The literal is a raw data given in a variable. In Python, we have three literals, that is a numeric literal, string literal, and Boolean literal. Numeric literal consists of digits that are immutable. That is immutable in the sense that is the value is unchangeable. In numeric literal, we have four sub literals will be there. They are decimal literal, Boolean literal, octal literal, and hexadecimal literal. The next one is a string literal. Yeah, and the string literal is a sequence of character surrounded by a single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. If a single character surrounded by a single quote or double quote, that is a single character. The data or a value surrounded by a triple single quotes is called as a multi-line string literal. The next one is a Boolean literal. The Boolean literal have any of two values, that is a true or false. If in example Boolean 1 equal to true, Boolean 2 equal to false, in the print statement the Boolean value is 1 means it is a true value. The Boolean 2 is the Boolean 2 variable we are going to use, that is a display as a false value. Thank you.